IDM download button not showing on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the IDM button not showing on YouTube. So let's get started. First thing what you're going to do is head over to your Google and you're going to head over to your Chrome extensions. So here you click on manage extensions and then you can go to Chrome Web Store. And after that, you're going to search for IDM integration. So search for IDM integration module extension. So simply head over and there are various module extensions, but you gotta be aware that which one is the one that works actually. Like you can see that this is one over here, but the one that you gotta download and I recommend is the one that I have already downloaded, that is over here. So I'm just gonna head over to the extensions over here, go to manage extensions once again, and this is the one that we need. That is IDM integration module. So simply download it. But however, if the issue is still there, what you gotta do is head over to Internet Downloader Manager. You're gonna head over, click on help, and here you're gonna click on check for updates. So usually the issue might arise if your software is old version. So you're gonna simply update your software to the newer version and you're good to go. Your issue would be resolved. So just click on check for updates and it's gonna check for a new version. Like you can see, just wait for the bar to get completed. Now it's saying you are using the latest version of Internet Download Manager. Please check back again for updates at a later time. So that means I have been updated to the latest version, and if not, then it will take a while in order to download the latest version. And then what you can do is simply head over, restart your PC. If the issue is still there, you can simply try restarting your PC and just make sure that you're connected to a strong internet connection. You can simply head over to Google and check a speed test for your internet to make sure that your internet is actually working fine. If not, then I suggest you to switching to a faster internet. And once you do so, you're good to go. Your issue would be resolved. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.